In this story, we travel back 900 years to explore the origins of the word assassin.
From the outside world and rarely visited before by Europeans.
Michael Oliver and I went to Iran in 1960 to explore the Valley of the Assassins here in the Alamut Valley, the original headquarters and home of the Ismailis, a radical Shiite Islamic sect. We were part of a university expedition. This is Michael, and this is me. This is the film we made. We were 19 years old as we set off on this journey to explore the castles of the assassins. And we had no idea of what we were getting ourselves into.
And if one is left, he's good enough to kill you. And you never know who he is and when he will reach you. So they were the first inventors of political assassination.
The actual name assassin, though, comes from the word hashish. And this was because it was believed, they thought that if you carry out your orders and are killed in the process, because of course most of them were, this would be your reward in heaven. You'd be a martyr and you'd go to heaven.
The legend goes like this. Hassan had a few chosen followers that he had drugged during their meal. They were then carried down a secret passage to this garden, which was full of virgins and damsels and anything they wanted. And when they came round, they were very confused and they were encouraged to believe that they had indeed been in paradise.
We were following in the footsteps of Freya Stark, the great English traveller. So we knew that Hassan Isaba, the founder of the Ismailis here in Iran, had built impregnable fortresses through these mountains to protect himself and his followers from the Seljuk Turks, who had overrun the Middle East at this time. But it wasn't only the Seljuk Turks. It was also the Orthodox Sunnis who wanted to eliminate this secretive Islamic sect.
They portrayed Ismailism as an arch heresy within Islam, which aimed to destroy Islam from within.